Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Reena. A very warm welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss two important topics. Which one? The first, restoration tragedy, and second, Bonamy Dobree. So by the end of this session, what will you understand? You will understand what restoration means, why restoration tragedy developed, its major themes, important dramatists, and how Bonamy Dobree interpreted this period. So, let's begin with a simple question. What does the word restoration mean? Means bringing something back. What was restored? The restoration period actually we can say began in 1660. In 1649, King Charles I was executed. The theatres, you can say, were closed during Puritan rule. Drama was considered immoral. Then what happened in 1660? Then in 1660, Charles II returned to the throne. And this event is called Restoration of the Monarchy. And with his return, theatres reopened, drama revived. We can also say that new style of writing emerged. We can also find that there are so many social changes that we can identify, and it became more fashionable, right? This period it became more intellectual, more experimental, and we can also say that sometimes morally relaxed. Now let's understand restoration tragedy. What exactly restoration tragedy is about? What is restoration tragedy? So, restoration tragedy refers to tragic plays written after 1660. But here is an important question. Were these tragedies like those of Shakespeare? Not exactly. Unlike William Shakespeare, restoration tragedies focus less on you can say, deep psychology. But restoration tragedies mainly focus more on heroism, more on grandeur. Okay? They were dramatic. They were, you can say, political also and spectacular too. We can say that heroic tragedy, many restoration tragedies are called heroic tragedies. What are the main reason about it? So mainly they focus on powerful heroes. They deal with mainly love. They deal with mainly honor. They are written in a rhymed couplets. Mainly we are talking about heroic tragedy. And the most important dramatist here is John Dryden. John Dryden believed tragedy should show greatness of character. And John Dryden's famous work include The Conquest of Granda, right? And Ye All for Love. And in this place, we can see that heroes face conflict between love and duty. We can say love and responsibility. We can also find our French influence. Okay, so Charles II lived in France during exile. So French drama mainly influenced English theatre. So from French drama, what they adopted. So from French drama, they adopted three unities: unity of time, unity of place, and unity of action. Formal structure they adopted, controlled emotions, elegance, but sometimes we can say they adopted artificial dialogues too. What are the major themes in restoration tragedy? So the central theme in restoration tragedy is love versus honor. The hero must choose between personal desire and public duty. This creates tension. Another feature is spectacle. Theater used movable scenery. We can also say that what kind of things they have adopted, like music, rich costumes, and for the very first time, women acted on stage. So this made theater more realistic and attractive. Let's discuss about comparison with Shakespeare. So let's quickly compare what is the difference or what are the similarities. So Shakespeare's tragedies are psychological, whereas Restoration tragedies are heroic. Shakespeare used blank verse, and in Restoration tragedies, Restoration writers mainly preferred rhymed couplets. Shakespeare mainly showed natural emotions, right? Very simple line with simple emotions, in simple words, we can say. And Restoration drama showed stylized emotion. Both are powerful. But we can see that their approach is in some way different. Yes, these are the main difference, or we can say similarities between Shakespearean tragedy and Restoration tragedy. Now let's discuss about Bonamy Dobree. So Bonamy Dobree was a 20th century literary historian. He mainly studied Restoration drama deeply. We can say that his important work is Restoration drama 1660 to 1700, and he explained, means Bonamy Dobree explained the social and political background of the period. So according to Bonamy Dobree, Restoration drama mainly reflects aristocratic society, and mainly it shows wit and sophistication. Restoration drama mainly reacted against, we can say that, Puritan strictness. So Bonamy Dobree believed we must judge Restoration drama in its historical context. Why this kind of a drama was written during that particular period, not by modern standards. Why is Restoration tragedy important? Restoration tragedy mainly shows how literature respond to political change. Okay, so it marks the shift from you can say Renaissance drama to neoclassicism, and it developed mainly, we can say, professional theatre culture. I just want to say that it influenced mainly 18th century drama. Okay, so without it, English theatre would not have evolved in the same way. So I hope you enjoyed this thing, like what exactly Restoration tragedy is about, who is Bonamy Dobree. So let's summarize. The Restoration began in 1660. Charles II returned to power. Theatres reopened. Heroic tragedy became popular. Who was a major writer? So John Dryden was a major figure. French influence shaped drama, right? So during exile, Charles II, he was in France. So that is why French influence shaped drama. And Bonamy Dobree helped us to understand this period historically. So at the end, now I leave you with one question. Does artificial style reduce emotional power? Just think about it. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep enjoying life. Thank you. Namaskar.